Drywall is a construction material made of calcium sulfate dihydrate gypsum. Drywall services are often contacted when it's time to construct interior walls and ceilings. That means residential drywall services are common, offering countless homeowners a variety of benefits. One of the best reasons to rely on drywall services is that it is easy to install. If your walls and ceilings are being constructed with drywall, you don't need to worry about waiting for a month to have your house ready. Your home will be finished within a short time, enabling you to get on with your life. Gone are the days when walls and ceilings were constructed by placing layers of wet plaster over thousands of wooden strips known as laths. The wet plaster would then harden and form walls, but this took a long time, which was time-consuming for homeowners. Projects that once took months can be completed in a matter of weeks in some cases. Drywall gives the room of your home a uniform finish. You can rest assured that each room of your home will look like the others, especially if you are concerned about the finish of your paint. Best of all, residential painting contractors use paints that are safe for your family. In 1978, the government banned lead as a paint ingredient because of its health risks, but most homes built before 1978. That means about 57 million homes still have lead paint somewhere in them. Therefore, you need to double-check that your contractor is using paint made with safe ingredients. As time goes by, it is normal for walls and ceilings to have scratches, chips and cracks. As compared to other construction materials, drywall is easy to repair when it comes to unavoidable damages. After repair, the walls and ceilings are repainted to give your house a new look. Getting a residential painting service is vital at this point. Since repairing your drywall is part of remodeling your home, it is essential to paint your house both on the interior and exterior sides. You can always contact your drywall services company to see if they have the same paint. That way, you don't need to worry about guessing the right color. Drywall services help protect your house as it is fire-resistant. This is because the gypsum used to make the drywall material is fire-resistant, which will in turn help protect your house from burning in the incidence of fire. Just be sure to pick out the right installation to ensure your home stays safe. One of the major problems that homeowners face is the growth of mildew. Luckily, drywall is mixed with fiber, plasticizer, foaming agents and various additives designed to keep mildew at bay. Drywall installation is budget-friendly and it is quick and convenient. It can also provide you with some great health and safety features. The extra layer of protection also guards against sound and temperature transfer. Plus, it's usually easy to repair should it sustain any damage. Thanks for watching. Until next time.